Hello, English learners, and welcome back to Listen and Learn, a channel where we don't just learn English, we learn how to grow as a person, how to think better, speak better, and live with confidence. And today's video is one of the most important videos you will ever watch if you truly want to change your life. Let me ask you something very honestly. Have you ever felt that people don't take you seriously, even when you know you are capable? Have you ever felt nervous while speaking, even though you know the answer? Or have you ever felt that others move forward in life while you stay stuck in the same place? If you have felt this, then please understand one thing clearly. The problem is not your talent, the problem is not your luck, and the problem is not your education. The real problem is your personality. Because personality decides how people see you, how they listen to you, and how much value they give to your words. Personality is not about wearing expensive clothes, it is not about speaking fast English, and it is not about showing fake confidence. Real personality is about inner strength, calm thinking, emotional control, and clear communication even in difficult situations. This video is important because nobody teaches us how to build personality step by step. Schools don't teach it, society doesn't explain it, and most people spend their whole life feeling insecure without understanding what is actually missing. In this video series, I will explain personality development in a very practical, realistic, and honest way, without fake motivation, without drama, and without complicated language, so that anyone can understand and apply it in real life. If you truly want confidence, respect, clarity, and growth, then stay till the end of all 5 parts, because every part is connected, and skipping one part means missing a strong foundation. And before we go deeper, if you are serious about improving your English and your personality together, then subscribe to my channel Listen and Learn, because this channel is made for learners like you who want simple English and real-life improvement. Now relax your mind, focus your attention, and let's start your personality growth journey. Mindset, the root of a strong personality. Personality does not start from the face, the voice, or the body language. Personality always starts from the mind, because if your thinking is weak, your personality will automatically become weak, no matter how talented you are. Most people think they lack confidence, but the truth is they lack a strong mindset because their mind is full of fear, self-doubt, overthinking, and comparison with others, and this silent negative thinking slowly destroys personality from inside. A strong personality begins when you change your inner conversation, when instead of saying, "I can't do this," you start saying, "I can learn this," and when instead of thinking, "I am not good enough," you start thinking, "I will improve with time." Confidence is not something you are born with. Confidence is created daily through action, discipline, and self-trust. And even confident people feel fear, but the difference is they don't stop because of fear. If you want to grow your personality, you must learn to do uncomfortable things daily, like speaking even when your voice shakes, trying again after failure, or staying calm when emotions want to control you, because discomfort is the training ground of confidence. Another powerful mindset shift is responsibility, because weak personality always blames others, situations, or luck, while strong personality asks one question: what can I do better next time? And this question gives you power instead of excuses. Discipline is more important than motivation because motivation comes and goes, but discipline builds self-respect. And when you keep promises to yourself, your confidence naturally increases. Always remember this clearly. A strong personality is not loud. It is calm, stable, and grounded, and it grows when your mindset becomes stronger than your fears. If this part is helping you, subscribe to Listen and Learn because the next part will completely change the way you communicate and express yourself. Communication: how you speak, listen, and express. Personality becomes visible through communication because you may have good thoughts and ideas, but if you cannot express them clearly, people will never understand your value. Strong personality does not mean talking a lot or dominating conversations. Strong personality means speaking clearly, slowly, and with confidence, because when you slow down your speech, people automatically listen more carefully. You don't need advanced vocabulary to sound confident. Simple English spoken with clarity and calmness is far more powerful than complicated words spoken with fear. Listening is also a major part of communication because people with strong personality listen fully instead of waiting for their turn to speak. And when you listen properly, people feel respected and naturally respect you back. Body language plays a huge role in personality, so stand straight, relax your shoulders, maintain natural eye contact, and keep your posture open because your body sends signals even before you speak. One of the most important communication skills is emotional control because weak personality reacts emotionally, while strong personality responds thoughtfully, and silence with control often shows more power than angry words. Practice speaking daily, even alone. Talk to yourself in English, record your voice, listen, and improve slowly because communication is a skill, and every skill improves with practice, not with fear. If you want daily support for English and personality growth, subscribe to Listen and Learn because the next part is about daily habits that silently shape your personality. Daily habits that shape your personality. Personality is not built in one day. It is built every single day through small habits that most people ignore. But those small habits decide your future confidence and self-respect. Start your day with intention instead of scrolling on your phone. Take a few minutes to breathe, think, and plan, because a calm start creates a focused mind. Reading, even a little every day, improves thinking, and improved thinking leads to better decisions, better communication, and a stronger personality over time. Take care of your body through movement, walking, or simple exercise, because physical strength supports mental strength, and energy affects confidence. Dress clean and simple, not expensive, because cleanliness shows self-respect, and self-respect is the foundation of personality. Avoid negative and toxic people who drain your energy, because environment shapes mindset, and mindset shapes personality. Be patient with yourself, because growth is slow, but consistency always wins, and every small step you take is building a stronger version of you. Confidence, identity, and outro. Confidence is not about proving yourself to others. Confidence is about trusting yourself, even when nobody's watching. And when you know who you are, you don't need approval. Never copy someone else's personality. Be inspired, but stay authentic, because the strongest personality is the one that feels natural and honest. You don't need perfection to grow. You need consistency, self-awareness, and patience, because personality development is a lifelong journey, not a quick result. If this video helped you even a little, then don't stop here. Subscribe to Listen and Learn because this channel is built for real learners who want simple English and real personal growth. Share this video with someone who is struggling with confidence and self-belief because sometimes one video can change someone's mindset. Thank you for listening till the end. Keep learning, keep growing, stay consistent, and I will see you in the next video, only on Listen and Learn.